La 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 la. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. I'm sure you must have recognized my character by now. I'm Audrey Hepburn from Breakfast at Tiffany's. I'm sure you know her character name. This is my Halloween character, and I am going to do this makeup tutorial and this hairstyle for you guys for your Halloween party. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So let's begin with the hairstyle today. I've just pinned my hair on one side in a very bouncy manner, and now I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to take a hair tie and tie my hair in a ponytail. I'm going to spray on my hair to fix all the flyaways and so to set everything in place. Now I'm going to place my ponytail in a roundish manner and going to divide it and put a hair clip on the ends of my ponytail, and we are going to give it a little bounce. We'll always keep it like that, and now I'm going to fold the ends at the bottom itself and going to pin them up. Now I'm securing my bun with a couple of hairpins, and I've used bob pins and round pins like U pins for the same. Now I'm going to, for the crown area, I have used these fancy clips to attach, and I'm just fixing the rest of the hair. Now to lift it further, I'm just using more pins to add that little, poof kind of bun. Ta-da! Our hair is done. Now I'm taking this Glam Glow moisturizer, which you must have seen in my previous tutorial, and I'm mixing it with my Clinique moisturizer, which also you must have seen in my previous tutorial. I'm going to gently apply it all over my face and a little on my shoulder and arms as well for that extra shine, and this will make my skin look more supple and moisturized, and I feel it's a great way to accentuate your features as well and to remove the tired look on my face. Now I am taking a regular drugstore pencil to fill in my brows. You can use any pencil, whatever you want. I am using a drugstore pencil, so I'm not going to recommend any, but just telling you, you can use any pencil and fill your brows in. I have just outlined my brows, and then using the spoolie at the back, or I have just brushed the color on my entire brow area. That's how I do my brows for this particular look. I'm using the MAC NC40 as my foundation shade today, and you can see this will sit perfectly on my skin, and I have applied it all over my face, even on my eyelids, because there is no heavy makeup there as well. So I feel a neutral tone would do justice to this Audrey Hepburn look. And now I'm taking a beauty blender, blending it on my entire skin. I am also going to make sure to cover my ears, my neck, and my shoulder area also. And we're done. For my highlighter, I'm taking this Revlon foundation, which is my mother's. She is quite fair compared to me, so I'm taking her foundation to highlight my face, and I feel it would sit perfectly for that highlighting bit. Also, I'm using the same foundation to conceal wherever required, and you will see my face will look quite flawless after it. Now I am taking the Hello Happy powder to set my face makeup in place. This is by Benefit. It's in the shade 05. This is my go-to powder to set my face in place, like always. You will see it in a lot of my videos. I use more as well, but this one has to be my favorite everyday kind of thing. It's light on the skin, doesn't feel cakey at all, but sets the makeup beautifully for me. So yeah, I have done my under eyes and everywhere wherever required, rather on my entire face in this look, and you can see my face is looking quite flawless. Taking this Givenchy blush, I am going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and that's about it. I love this blush. This is one of my favorite luxury makeup brands, and I feel their makeup is very natural and it sits beautifully on my skin. So love this one. Now we are going to quickly move to our eyes. I am using this Smashbox pen liner to do my winged eye look, and you can see my wing has just turned out perfect, and I am going to just fill this in now, and this will make our eyes appear bolder and bigger, just like Audrey's character in Breakfast at Tiffany's. I am just going to do my other eye behind the camera, and I'm coming back in a second. I'm using this random mascara. It is my mom's. I don't know the brand, nor did I bother to check it. I'm so sorry, but you can use any mascara which suits you. If I didn't use this mascara, I would have definitely gone for the Maybelline Push Up Drama, because I feel it really looks good on me. But I love this one as well. I am rather the one who always finishes my mom's mascaras. I'm a big mascara person. So yeah, I love the way my lashes look right now. And we are going to just do the other eye as well very quickly, and that will be about it. A lot of you might think that you cannot do a Halloween character, but trust me, this is the best last minute Halloween character I could do. All you need is a black dress and some pearls, and you're good to go. Using the shade Noor and Grace from Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick shades, and I must say I'm not doing a proper lining thing. I'm giving it a very natural finish with the help of my finger. I've just applied, like dabbed a little on my lips, and then I'm just patting it with my finger to give the natural effect. Now I'm using the Nykaa Glamourize Pencil in the shade Moonchild. It's a beautiful silver white color, and it will make my eyes pop out. This is definitely going to enhance anyone's eyes. It's a beautiful pencil. You must invest in this color if you want a white eye pencil. Now I'm using the NYX setting spray to fix my makeup, and that's it. We are done with our makeup look. Just going to let it dry, and then I'm going to show you my entire dress and look for the Halloween party. La 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 la. La 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 la. Guys, I'm getting this full-on Audrey vibe from Breakfast and Tiffany's. I feel so classy and sassy at the same time. Let me know what you think about this look. I'm super thrilled to hear your reviews. Well, I hope you like this character look of mine. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, if you dress up as this Halloween character, please tag me on your Instagram or your YouTube channel if you're doing this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at Naaz.Arora, at Makeup by Naaz Arora. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.